Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. Guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about so-called numeric separators. Guys, I opened a proposal essentially, and you can see this on the proposal stage 3, right? But reality is, all the browsers already adopted this functionality and you can use it. So, and guys, I'm going to show you a couple of examples like why this feature or this functionality can be useful, and in general how we can use it as a software developers. Okay guys, let's jump into that. Let's jump into the example. And again guys, this tutorial going to be super short because it's not too much to talk about, and in general it's quite easy to explain or to cover this functionality. Okay guys, first of all I'm going to define a new variable and I will call it number, and it's going to be a big number. For instance, it's going to have like many zeros, right? Guys, that's the problem, right? Sometimes when you have to have a deal with this kind of numbers, it can be quite confusing, right? Because like it's quite difficult to calculate or like to figure out like how many zeros here. And guys, in this case this numeric separator can be super handy. Okay guys, this is the actual numeric separator, and then for instance I can do that, place it after 3 every time when I pass like 3 zeros. And for instance, sorry, this one over here, and let's just add extra one. So guys, it's much easier now to figure out like how many zeros we do have, right? And guys, again, if you log it out, you can be sure that it works. It still works. Here we go guys. So, and essentially this is the official functionality that can be used, right, on a daily basis. And guys, to show you that this is the actual functionality, right, that like you cannot do that, right, like many underscores, because it's going to argue. So only one underscore is allowed, right, as numeric separator. So, and that pretty much guys it. So like it's not too many things to talk about here. Yeah, this is the actual numeric separators, guys. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I just decided to make this tutorial because I think still some people would benefit from that. And like even from my experience, I know like sometimes you have to hard code some big numbers, right? And in this case, definitely this kind of separators can be super handy. Thank you very much guys, and please like this tutorial if you like it, and guys please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet guys, and I will see you next time guys. Goodbye.